How to see recent Facebook Marketplace searches. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see recent Facebook Marketplace searches. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to view your recent Facebook Marketplace, tap on the Marketplace icon on the bottom toolbar of your screen, which is the fourth option. You will be led to your Facebook Marketplace now. To see your recent Facebook Marketplace searches, tap on the person-like icon you see on the top of your screen and further tap on the recently viewed option, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all your recent Facebook Marketplace searches. Mine is empty for now since I have not searched for anything lately. So this is how you can see recent Facebook Marketplace searches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.